Melissa Jiles, Crazy Imagination Travel. We've just arrived at Hollywood Studios. We're going to try and get a Rise of the Resistance Fast Pass. And it's 7:20 in the morning. The park opens at 8. And we hope to get a boarding pass. I'll let you know. Okay, we made it through bag check. Make sure that you allow 10, 15, 20 minutes for bag check. If you don't have bags, you can get through quicker. And now we're going to stand in line in the entrance to get in. So we still got 30 minutes before boarding passes start. Okay, it's 7:20. We're in line to get in. So here's another really big line that you need to make sure you allow time for. So we've got 30 minutes to get through here and scan our magic bands to get inside the park. So I think we're gonna do it. Okay, it's 7:38. We made it through the ticket line. We are inside Hollywood Studios. So now all we have to do is wait for the announcement. When the announcement comes on, everybody will get on their My Disney Experience phone app and we'll try to get a boarding pass. I will keep you posted. Everything looks great so far. Okay, here's another tip. Starbucks is open while you wait to get your boarding pass.
Star Wars Rise of the Resistance is open. Guests holding in the First Order should join the virtual queue beginning at 8 a.m. for the My Disney Experience app or with the assistance of the Guest Experience team located throughout the park. Thank you and enjoy your time here at Disney's Hollywood Studios.
Okay, so it's 4 minutes till the park opens, and as you can see, there are guests all inside the park. They're just sitting around, they're on their phones, they're ready to get a boarding pass when the announcement comes on in 4 minutes. So, pretty crowded, a lot of people, everybody looking at their cell phones, and we'll see what happens in 4 minutes. We did it! We're going to Rise of the Resistance! We're boarding pass for a safety form! Woo! Got it! We made it! Rise of the Resistance. Our boarding pass has been called. Woohoo! All right, we will. Thank you. Thank you. All right, we're in. Woohoo!
I gotta scan you though.
Scan me. What does it say?
It says nothing. I gotta try again.
Oh, okay. Try again.
Good. Have fun.
Okay, bye. Here we go. Boarding group 64. Woo! Here we go.
All recruits to transport. No need for safety gear. It'll be a smooth ride.
You can stop right here, recruits. Thank you. So, Poe tells me you're a fine-looking group of recruits. My job is to see how smart you are.
Go right, go right, go right.
I'm getting a high reading on the fuel pressure. There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
Company, First Order TIE Fighters, we will!